When you walk in through the door, do you keep your shoes on?
Now, earlier on, we were talking about couch etiquette, and what is it about your couch or your home that you ask people not to do or do, like red wine, no red wine on the couch? Do you allow your dogs up on the couch? But we did do a thing about, somebody had said about no shoes in the house and asking people if there's somebody coming over to your house to remove their shoes at the door. Well, we have been inundated with people who sort of said, yes, that's exactly what we do. Noreen says, I think as regard to couch etiquette, I don't have any etiquette, just welcome and relax. But lots of home have a no shoes policy. So I would respect that as it's their home, even though I might feel it's not welcoming.
Maddie said, personally, I don't like shoes in the house, but I live with my parents still, and they don't mind. I have indoor shoes, which are my sliders, but shoes on the couch, you may as well forget it. It annoys me so much.
Anita has a no-shoe policy in her house, but for people who don't want to take them off, Anita has those, you know, those little booties that you put over your shoes if you're in a hospital or if you're in the elastic blue booties.
I never knew that so many people, because I've never really experienced it, that these people say, will you take your shoes?
Well, when you walk in through the door, do you keep your shoes on?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
I'd probably take the shoes off when I get in through the door.
I put my slippers on, but...
Well, there you go. So then we're all the same.
Oh, no,
anyway,
no.
I swear to God, I never come across this.